guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be cottagecore themed. Anyone who's been following my Instagram and TikTok knows my recent obsession with cottagecore. My fashion, as I've said before, is all over the place. Sometimes I look like I'm from the 1940s/1950s. Other times I am dressed as a vampire anime dude. Other times it's a pirate or a Viking or this or that or a potato. Potato is most of the time. But recently, for some reason, my brain has been cottagecore, 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 cottagecore. Guess what? Cottagecore. I don't know why I've been so obsessed with it recently, but I always liked the idea of living in a cabin in the middle of the woods, making my own food, and just like running through the forest with no shoes on. Now, would I want to live out in a cabin all the time? I don't know, because I do like internet, and I do like being close to things, so it's not difficult to go to the gas station, to go to the grocery store, to do this and to do that. So I don't know if I want to live in a cottage, full time. Maybe like weekends or like a vacation spot. But I love the fashion of cottagecore. It's basically like housewife in the middle of a forest. I don't know why. I just do. Now, of course, there is an actual definition of cottagecore, which is this. This is the actual definition of cottagecore. And through my recent posts on Instagram, it shows my leaning love toward cottagecore. Plus, I've made TikToks in the outfits I've been wearing. So today I thought I'd do a video transforming into a cottagecore outfit or aesthetic, I guess. I like the aesthetic of it. Now, I have been doing this a lot lately, so it's not like a, wow, cottagecore is the first time I've ever tried cottagecore before. No, it's not. But I thought today I would show you how to transform. I'm going to be wearing a different dress, a whole new outfit than what I've shown. So it's not like I'm just recreating something I've already done. Now, cottagecore is very simple stuff. From what I can tell, you have your hair down, or you can have it up in a bun, or, there's flowers, and you have like a nice dress. Sometimes there's flowers with leaves on it, and it's very flowy and stuff. Now, I don't have a lot of cottagecore things, because I've recently gotten into it. I haven't been, like, collecting dresses and stuff going, woo, cottagecore, for more than a few weeks. So I'm going to use what I have. So it's not going to be perfect, but I'm using what I have. I'm using a dress that I've had for about 2-3 years. I'm going to have a flower crown that everybody knows because I use it a lot. It's like the only flower crown I have. If someone wants to send a flower crown to my P.O. box, you could. Just saying. So I'm going to be dressing up in an outfit. No shoes, obviously. I mean, you can wear shoes if you want, but I like running through the grass with no shoes on. I'm probably going to step on a rock or something, but, whatever. I haven't stepped on a rock yet. And I'm going to be doing simple makeup with cottagecore. It's not like dramatic dark eyeshadow. It's very simple stuff, so I am going to put on some lipstick, but not like too bright of a color, and some basic eyeshadow as well, which I will show you. Then I'll wear my dress, put my hair back, and voila. This video is probably not going to be very long because it is simple look. It's not very dramatic. It's not going to take me a ton of time, which is also great because anyone who's into cottagecore, if you want to copy me, I guess, you can. And it'll be easy. So, let's get into it. Yeah. So I plan to wear this gunny sack dress, which I've worn a few times. I've had it for a few years, and it's very nice. And it fits me very well, so I look very skinny. I mean, I'm not fat, but like, I like to look skinny. So I plan to wear this dress, and a flower crown. Woo! So let's go put it on. Woo! So here's the fit. I put on the dress, and I did my hair also off camera. So I don't know if you can see it, but basically what I did is I took the hair that's in front of my ears, and I tied it in the back, and then I put a flower crown on. Very simple. Of course, you could go more detailed, or as difficult with it, I guess. You could put it up. You could do some braids, you could do this, you could do that. I decided to just do this. Now, is it very cottagecore? I don't know. Cottagecore, usually the dresses I see have flowers on them. They are flowy, which this one is. But they have a lot more flowers on it. This is more like, I've gotten Amish before. not my intention, but that's kind of the vibe. But I'm working with what I got. So now all that's left is to do the makeup, and then we can go frolic. Now it's time to do some makeup. Yeah! So I start off using this palette called Take Me Back to Brazil. I got it a few years ago at Ulta, I think, but, you know, my memory is like a potato, so I don't exactly remember. It's been a while. But the color I'm using is like a shimmery bronze color. I don't know what it's called, but it looks pretty nice, and I use it for basically every vintage look I do. So I'm using bronzy eyeshadow on both eyes, and then I decided to line my eyes in the way I normally do for my vintage looks with black eyeshadow, because me and eyeliner don't mix. Every time I've tried, I stab myself in the eye. Well, that's more my mascara, but it's just easier, and it looks nice, and it's easy to get off. Like, eyeshadow washes off, well, some of it stains, but most eyeshadow washes off pretty easily, while like eyeliner decides to never leave my eyes again. So I usually use black eyeshadow, and I did a little wing on each side of it, and I messed up a little bit on one of the eyes, but it isn't too big a deal where it's noticeable, so that's nice. Other than that, I went with a lipstick. I'm using an e.l.f. lipstick because why not? It's a pinky color. It's not like a bright pink, but it is like a reddish pink, I guess. It's a lot lighter than what I normally use because I like to use like bright reds when I do looks, but I thought it wouldn't really look good with this dress. And let's go outside and frolic in the grass. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. I had a good time. I mean, it was a very simple look. I didn't do anything too dramatic or difficult, but I do like the result nonetheless. I mean, Cottagecore is known for simplicity, so it doesn't have to be dramatic. The only downside is I think the makeup's a little too dark. The looks I saw were a lot of like natural makeup to make it look like you weren't wearing any, and freckles, which I have freckles. They're just, you know, maybe not as pronounced as some people. I could have drawn some on, but with my luck, I'd look dumb. So I think I went a little dark, so next time when I dress cottagecore or in this style, I will do lighter makeup, maybe even not do any eye makeup at all. But other than that, I really like it. So if you decided that you were going to dress up as cottagecore with me, let me know, because I would love to see it, because I bet it looks fabulous. Alright guys, I will see you Thursday with another True Crime Thursday, and Monday with whatever I decide to post. Alright, see you later.